This trailer here is a good example of a refit. So we look at it as renovation, refit, and restoration. So refit to us is basically take whatever's there, like, you know, it's all based on budget and what the customer's preference is, but it's basically taking the structure, the wood, the original stuff, refinishing it, making it so it's newer looking without having to replace all the wood, and then adding nice touches like modern things like a U-shaped seating up front. But this is to think that this is a 1954 and that a lot of this wood is in still really good shape. And so what we did is we sand this down, restain it, revarnish it. So this is a Frigidaire refrigerator that looks like a 1950s, that modern style. And then Nostalgia Electric makes these microwaves that kind of match that whole era. So you throw that in a trailer like this and boom, you're modern and looking good. Queen bed in the back. And then this customer wanted to keep the prison looking bathroom, which is what original. And then check out this. Like a car window. I mean, that is cool stuff right there. Spartans were made, they were made for the military, like to house for the, during World War II. Because Spartan Company, they built airplanes. And so there was a shortage of housing for troops and stuff on bases. So they started making these for that. And that's why, and they're structurally, they're a lot better than an Airstream. Made with real wood, they're heavier, but they weren't designed to be pulled behind a truck or a camper. It would be more like a version of today's trailer park is what these were used for. But now people are starting to discover that these are way cooler than an Airstream. And so you're starting to see more and more Spartans coming around.